Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Mazda 3 tail light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Safety is paramount, so always work in a well-lit area. This simple repair can save you money and keep your car road legal. Let's get started with the first steps. Now open your trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly. You'll typically find two retaining screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull should release it from its clips. Be careful not to force it.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips. On another note, keep your garage floor spotless with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Check the description for a direct link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the individual bulb sockets. Identify the faulty bulb, usually by its darkened filament. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it's seated firmly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in, reinsert the bulb socket into the assembly, twisting clockwise to lock it. Now, carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Push it firmly back into place until it clicks. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over tight. Finally, test your new tail light to ensure it's working correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.